Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making an unboxing video of this keyboard that I just got in the mail. So this keyboard is the Ornata Chroma, obviously Razer because you guys can see the logo right here. And yeah, let's get straight into this unboxing, guys. This should be pretty epic. You guys can see it's a pretty big keyboard in general. You guys can see on the side here, I guess technically backwards for you guys, but what the hell is that? It looks like a butt. Yeah, look at it. We'll do it. Okay, let's get this open. So pretty much, it's got all the stuff on it. Let's see what's inside, guys. It should be the Ornata Chroma. We'll have to hope that it is, if you know what I mean. So let's get this open. Oh god, it comes in two pieces. There's the mouse pad, and then the actual keyboard part. Hello? Okay, that's it. So you guys can see right here, it is wrapped in bubble tape, whatever the hell it's called. And, yeah, you guys can see, I think, oh, it comes with a mouse pad? Is that a mouse pad? Oh, that's instructions, what a ripoff. Okay, yeah, let's get straight into this, let's see what else is inside. Oh. Okay. So, like I said, there is a mouse pad. Oh my god, it feels so nice. Oh! Look at this mouse pad, guys. Oh no. Jeez. Oh! Guys, look at this. It's so satisfying. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's just so... Oh my god, it's so comfortable. I'm gonna use this as a pillow. Okay, let's put that on the floor. It's also got things on the back to keep it sturdy and stable. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. And there's the actual keyboard, guys. I guess and listen to that sound. Oh. If you guys can see, you might be able to see in it a little bit. You can see that they're raised so that it looks like when I will show you guys a video of it as it is turned on and all the lights are going. It's really sick, guys. But I'll show you guys in a little bit. But it makes the keys look like they're floating above the light, which makes it look absolutely amazing, guys. You guys can see there are these things on the side. I have no idea what they're used for, but you know, they're there. I think they're clearly marked, whatever the hell they're supposed to mark, so we're all good. And let's see, F5, everything up to 12, everything's good. Okay, there's like the, I don't know what the hell that means. Let's see. I don't know. It's pretty cool, guys. You can see the numbers are over here. And then the tab, everything is in the usual spot. The space bar is a little bit smaller because it is for the gaming purposes. And, let's see, W, this is what I'm going to be using with Fortnite, guys. It should be absolutely epic. It looks extremely sick. You guys can see the back as well. It does have a wire. It's got these 4 things in the corners to keep it stable. It does have a thing if you want to lift it up, which I don't necessarily need to do, so yeah. And let's just read these instructions before we do anything else. RazerZone.com. Let's open this up. Okay. Congratulations, and welcome to the next level of gaming domination. That's what it says there on the front. So you guys can see here, it is the Razer Ornata Chroma. Is that backwards? I don't know, it looks backwards to me. Obviously advertise their Facebook, Snapchat, whatever the hell. Don't need that. Okay. Maximize your Razer advantage. What the hell? Yeah, it's just, oh, like stickers, but that's all I need. Okay. Yeah, look at these stickers. That's extreme god. Okay, guys. That's epic, guys. You guys can see here the keyboard and the mouse pad, or keyboard pad, whatever the hell it's called. So keyboard, and then keyboard pad, or wait, damn it, never mind. Obviously, you know, this is the, whatever the hell it's called, and then this is the keyboard. Pretty epic. Pretty epic. Now let's get to it as it's turned on in my setup, and I'm going to be unboxing a mouse that I also got for my birthday in a little bit. So, if you guys want to stay tuned for that one, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload that video. And, yeah, guys, let's get straight to this as it's lit up. To give you guys a comparison, I just want to show you guys what I have now and what I had before. That is That's a $5 Dell keyboard that came with my computer. So, you know, $100 keyboard, $5 keyboard. What do you guys think? See any difference? Guys, you can see right here, I have plugged in this keyboard, and it looks absolutely insane. Right now, it's just switching colors because you guys can see right here, I just finished downloading the software that you need to change the colors. I'll be changing the colors in a little bit for you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like lit up. It's absolutely insane. So let's get to the actual colors that show up. You guys can listen to this. Listen to that sound. And you guys can see the keyboard pad right here. I'll show you guys a setup right at the end of this video, so, man, this is juicy, guys. For now, I'm going to show you guys a few of the effects that you guys can put on it. So you guys can see Ripple is the first one that I have up here. So if I do this, you guys can see it actually goes away, it ripples away. You guys can change the speed it ripples, you can change everything about it. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that in here. You guys can look that up if you guys want to know. But there's also breathing. Let's see what happens here. I don't think you have to push anything. You guys can see it's got like the color turns on and then it turns off. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Now let's go to fire. This one I've seen before. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, it looks epic. See? Oh, looks so looks so good. And then let's go to what's the next one we should do here? Let's do reactive. Yeah, let's see what this one is. I don't know what this one is. What the? So it keeps everything you already have on. This is the wave. It's very colorful. You guys can change the direction if you guys want. And let's see, static. Let's see what static is, guys. Okay. I think this is the static. Now it's on fire again. Keeps changing. Okay, let's see here. Let's go starlight, see what that is. Wow, look at that. So it just the colors just go on and off. You guys can change the color, you guys can see right here. And let's go spectrum cycling again. Ooh, that looks oh yeah, and that's the one that I showed you guys in the beginning. It's all the different colors just going through. So pretty much, guys, that is the end of the video. I will show you guys my setup right here. You guys can see I've got my face cam. I've got my mic. I do have this new mouse that is in a different video I boxed. And my speakers here. I don't use those. I use this headphones right here. I do have my computer right there. It is the Dell Inspiron 5675. I did make an unboxing video on that, but then it was deleted by a hacker. But that's another story, guys. And yeah. Thanks for watching this. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to check out my unboxing of this bad boy right here. And see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.